Hey YouTube, I'm Ryan. Welcome to the Growers Up YouTube channel. If you want to learn to build hydroponic systems, stick around because we're about to show you how to build a flood and drain table just like this one. So yeah, let's get into it. We're going to show you how to set this tray up today, how to drill the holes, the tools that we use, and I guess the finished product. So first things first, we're going to be using the Seahawk flood and drain fittings. There's a taller and a shorter version. One's for flooding, one's for drainage obviously. A deburring tool to clean that plastic hole up. A stepper drill bit. We've got tape on there so we know where to stop. Obviously that gives you a really good indication once you've reached the hole size. And then a battery operated drill. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, you're going to grab your drill and your drill bit. We really like the step down drill bits. You can use a hole saw if you like. The step down's got a variety of sizes, which makes life nice and easy. Next, you're going to drill both your holes for your flood and overflow fit-ins. Once you've drilled your holes, you're going to give them a good cleanup with your deburring tool. Always make sure that the hole is the right size for your fit-in. Once you've done that, you're going to grab your fittings, and when installing these fittings, always make sure that the rubber gasket is on the top side of the tray because it is what gives you the seal. If it's on the bottom, you'll have leaks. Get your fittings in and give them a good hand tighten. You don't need tools for this. Hand tighten is sufficient as long as they're nice and snug. Once you've got your fittings in, you're going to grab your water tank and drill 2 holes in the lid, one for your overflow and one for your feed tubes. You can see them there. This is the little pump that we use. And this is me chucking the tank into the tent. You can see that's the feed tube that pushes the water up, and the other one I'm about to put into the tank is your overflow, your backup tube. You'll notice that this tray is different to the one in the previous shots. The previous tray was actually for a customer for a different purpose. This is the one that we use in our tent. The basic principle behind the system is that you have a tank with nutrient solution, and when the pump switches on, it floods the tray, and when it switches off, it drains. A basic flood and drain system. You'll see these are the fittings that we have in our tank, the overflow and your feed or your flood fit-in. We really like clay bowls. You can use any medium. Clay bowls are low maintenance. We probably haven't done anything to this table for about 6 months to a year and it's still going strong. Next thing you're going to do is grab your little seedlings and make sure they've got a good root base on them before planting them. You want the roots to be below the water line and the propagation medium, the rock wool or stone wool or whatever it is that you're using, above the water line. Next I'm going to go ahead and plant a few more seedlings. Like I said, you want the roots below the water line and the medium above the water line. If the medium is in the water, it'll stay saturated, which will cause root rot. This is me planting the last few seedlings in the tray. And this is an overview of what the tray looks like. We've got broccoli inside there at the moment, bok choy and lettuce. So that's it. That's how you build a flood and drain table. If you want to know more or see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment below, like the video, and we'll see you guys next time.